Henna tattoos are wildly popular. The temporary tattoos made from a natural plant are supposed to disappear after a couple of weeks or so, but these people say their temporary tattoos turned into a nightmare. In fact, the mother of this 6-year-old boy says it looked like he'd been branded. Lisa Guerrero has more.
Have you ever seen or experienced something like that? Well, it's scary, right? But henna is a natural dye. Then how can it have that kind of effect on the skin? Well, as henna became more popular, there are a lot of brands and individuals producing henna to fulfill the demand. But here's the catch. Not all henna are made using natural ingredients. Every so often, there are news on how henna can cause allergic and bad reaction to the consumers. We all know that natural henna comes from the ground-up leaves of the henna plant called Lawsonia inermis. The leaves are then crushed and mixed with a liquid of either water or coffee to produce henna paste before it is applied to the hair or skin. However, there are some henna which are often referred to as black henna that use a completely different ingredient which contain a chemical called PPD. PPD is used to increase the henna shelf life and offer darker and brighter colors. PPD is usually used in hair dye products. However, when it is applied on skin, it can cause reactions such as burning, blistering, itching, and scarring. So, how to make sure that the henna that we use is safe? One of things that can distinguish a natural henna from a black henna is of course the smell. Black henna either has no smell or unpleasant one like chemicals, while natural henna smells like tea tree, eucalyptus or lavender depending on the essential oils added to the mix. Another difference would be that black henna is usually mass-produced while natural henna is made individually by henna artists. Lastly, one of the best methods to check the quality of the henna is to do a patch test. It's simple really. Just apply the henna on your skin and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you feel that your skin is burning or itching, then it's probably made of black henna. However, if you still want to attain the blackish stain, there is an alternative for black henna, which is called jaguar henna. Jaguar henna comes from a type of fruit that contains natural dye. Unlike black henna, jaguar henna is 100% natural and does not contain PPD or any harmful chemicals, making it safe for direct skin contact. There you have it! Now that you know how harmful black henna is, please be safe and follow the procedures to make sure that the henna you have is safe to use. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching!